Testimony begins Monday in the murder trial of a Blendon Township police officer. Connor Grubb is facing 10 charges in the 2023 shooting death of Takaya Young and her unborn baby. Today, the judge swore in the 12-person jury, and both sides had the chance to lay out their cases in opening statements. NBC4 crime and safety reporter Anna Hoffman was inside the courtroom, and she tells us what happened today.
Opening statements gave jurors a first glimpse into each side's case. The prosecution claims Takaya Young was not a threat and Connor Grubb was not justified in using force, while the defense claims he was justified because he was in fear for his life. The state said to the jurors that Young and her unborn baby should be alive today. They spoke about what Grubb could have done differently in the situation, saying Young posed no threat. They also said jurors will hear from expert witnesses to help prove their case. The defense says the state's experts will contradict their points. They revealed Grubb will take the stand and share his side of the story. They also said Grubb had every right to defend himself. After opening statements, jurors went to the Kroger off Sunbury Road, where the shooting happened, so they can better visualize the scene in their heads throughout the trial.
But the ultimate question for you to answer is this. At the time defendant chose to use deadly force, did he reasonably believe that Takaya presented an imminent threat of serious physical harm or death to himself or to others? And that question is to be answered from the perspective of an objectively reasonable police officer.
He's going to take the stand and tell you that he was terrified of being sucked up under that car and pancaked onto the pavement. He's going to tell you about his concerns for every other person in that parking lot. And that is how we will prove, by a feather more than 50%, that he believed his life was in danger of serious physical harm or death, and he believed that others' lives were in the same boat.
The prosecution will start calling witnesses on Monday. Local for you at the Franklin County Courthouse, I'm Anna Hoffman, NBC4.
Thanks for watching. For more NBC4, download the NBC4 streaming app. You'll get free 24/7 local programming streamed straight to your living room. Just search NBC4 Columbus on your Apple TV, Amazon Fire, Roku, or Samsung device.